Still creating pivot tables one by one in Excel? That's slow, repetitive, and honestly unnecessary. In this video, I'll show you the fastest method to create multiple pivot tables, using real dataset in just one click. Okay, let's dive in. Here's the real dataset we'll use today. We have data from regions like South, East, West, and Midwest. Now click anywhere inside the table. Go to Insert, then Pivot Table. Excel automatically selects the table. Choose New Worksheet. Then click OK. Now let's build the pivot table. Drag Region to Filters. Product Category to Rows. Sales Amount and Profit to Values. Now we have a clean sales summary report. Imagine your manager asks for separate reports for every region: South, East, West, and Midwest. Most Excel users handle this the slow way. Go to Filter, and select the South region. Rename the sheet to South. Right-click the sheet, choose Move or Copy, check Create a Copy, move it to the end, and hit OK. Choose East from Filter. Rename the sheet to East. Repeat the same process over and over. Not only is that time-consuming, but it also becomes frustrating when working with large reports or tight deadlines. But today, I'm going to show you a smarter Excel method that automatically creates multiple regional pivot table reports in just one click. First, click anywhere inside your pivot table. Then go to the Pivot Table Analyze tab. Click Options, then Show Report Filter Pages. A dialog box will appear. Select Region. Then click OK. And just like that, Excel instantly creates separate pivot table sheets for every region: South, East, West, and Midwest. Each worksheet contains its own filtered pivot table automatically. You can also add quantity to values to track product demand across regions. Want monthly analysis? Simply drag Order Date to Rows. Then right-click any date. Choose Group and group by months. Hit OK. Now you have a monthly sales trend report. Let's improve the formatting. Go to Pivot Table Design and choose a professional style. Rename value fields. And sort largest to smallest. These small changes make your reports look dashboard ready. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more powerful Excel tips and tricks. And comment below, what Excel topic should I cover next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.